What is going on, my friends? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I want to try and get this engine pulled out of this car, but before we get this thing on the lift and start pulling this engine out, we need to go ahead and finish up our 2.5 liter. We're getting close. So let's go ahead and get it knocked out. So to get started out in the shop today, we need to get all these parts cleaned up. So we got the timing covers, some cam gear stuff, and then this box of stuff too. Oil pan, coolant crossover pipe, motor mounts, all this stuff. I'm gonna just go ahead and clean up right now so we can just completely button up and be done with this engine. All right, let's start knocking some things out. We can do everything pretty much. I'm gonna start with the valve covers, move on to the pan with the pickup and baffle and all that good stuff, and then oil pump, and then probably from there, timing components. I'm not gonna spend a lot of time in the shop tonight. I have not hung out with Bobby for a while. It's been a while, I feel bad. So if I'm home by like 6:20, if I'm home by like 9, I think we'll be all right. Let's see what All right, moving on to the bottom, we have the pickup, the baffle, and the pan. I did see the comment a few times yesterday, why don't you install the piston and rod together? There would be no way to torque down the rod bolts. So that's why we had to build it the way we built it. Subarus are a little bit sus, a little bit weird. So down here we have the baffle that goes on, the pickup that goes on first. There's an O-ring right there that we're gonna replace. And then she'll sit like that, then the baffle will go on, and we'll do the seal up with the pan, and we move on to timing. So we have good news and we have bad news. The good news is I'm gonna be home at a very reasonable time. It's 9:09 p.m., so much better than the usual midnight. Bad news is the reason I'm gonna be home at a very reasonable time is because I messed up. I lost a camshaft seal. I got the ones on the driver's side and we only have one left for the passenger side. I feel like this whole engine build was kind of so sporadic. I had no idea that I was getting the block back, so I didn't really have all the proper parts here like I should have, but not a big deal. I'll grab a camshaft seal tomorrow, and I think that's the only other thing we need. We are pretty much ready to get this thing timed. We need to install the tensioner. We have 2 more pulleys. One pulley we put on after we get the timing belt on the car or on the engine. So it's this lower one that goes right here that we leave off. This upper one we can install, and we also, like I said, have to get our tensioner on, and then we get the belt on. Lower pulley goes on, pull the pin on the tensioner, and we are ready to party. Timing on a Sub is pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Of course, crank is here. Crank gears lined up with the mark on the oil pump. That's lined up. 2 cam gears here lined up. That is lined up with the belt. Same on this side, lined there, and some dots there lined up, ready to go. Let's get everything torqued down, then we can go ahead, get the timing covers on, and we'll have a complete engine. right, so we got the engine all finished up. I have all the cars in the shop running right now, getting warmed up, and we got to get Sus back on the lift. So let's get everything moved around. Damn, it's loud in here. Holy shit. The amount of oil that the Evo 10, the newest edition, the 10 leaks, is insane. This is all some sort of gear oil, TKs or trans. Same with that spot there, same with those two spots up there. I wouldn't be surprised if we have some trans or transfer case issues. Not a big deal, we can rebuild them, but it's crazy how much it leaks. It's embarrassing. All right, this should be a quick and easy little swap, 2.0 to 2.5. There's gonna be a few other little changes that we make, some coloring changes in the bay as well. And of course, there's no way this is all gonna happen tonight. It's already pretty freaking late, but we're gonna get as far as we can. If we get the 2.0 out tonight, I would be very, very pleased. Even if we get it ready to pull out tonight, I'd be very, very pleased. I need your help.
Okay.
Sir, it's a question. You have to build my car. I need your help. Okay. So
I'm dead right now.
we got two issues here. So do you remember what the bay looked like before, right?
Yeah.
With all the red everywhere? This manifold looks like what? Shit. Poop.
Okay.
That's what it's supposed to look like. That's what it looks like.
It's supposed to be like a wrinkle.
Yes. So tell me, wrinkle black on the manifold, redo it wrinkle red, and then turbo, leave it wrinkle red, because you saw how much red's in the bay, or do it wrinkle black.
The turbo? Can we just do polished?
See, polish is cool if you actually polish it. I wasn't the biggest fan of like the powder coated polish.
Can you actually polish it?
And No. If I'm gonna polish a turbo, I'm gonna do a rotated kit with a fatty turbo sitting right about where yours sits.
Okay.
So we can polish yours.
I would just say keep it red. For sure.
What about the intake?
Red.
Please say black.
Black.
Wrinkle black?
Wrinkle black.
Okay, wrinkle black it is. So this thing is nearly ready to pull out. He. Pull out. Bobby's out. Pretty much ready to go. Bobby's here waiting for me to go home. So I should probably go home. But I gotta go to the gym first. So yeah, gonna wrap it up right here, my friends. I wish we could have got it out, but I'm just, I'm not fast enough. I'm not good enough at working on these things to get it out in time. What? You took it off? Bobby literally just destroyed the WRX. You know how much time we spent on that?
Maybe it took a second to put her on.
What is it?
And it was loose too.
What is it?
My mufflers, apparently.
That was initially supposed to be an intake pipe that I was gonna build for the Evo 8. Was that funny? And it turned into your exhaust tip. Tomorrow we'll get it out. I don't know if we'll get the new motor back in. Probably. I do have to run to the dealer to grab a few little seals and whatnot. Thankfully tomorrow's Monday, so they're open. You see this fire ass shirt I'm wearing? Okay, hold up. You see this thing?
I sure do.
It's pretty fire. What does the back say?
Boston Apparel, built on passion for modifying cars, more than point to point. More than point A to point B.
Turbo Rose V2 coming this Saturday. Hold up.
Can I reread that so it sounds good?
We have a whole ass drop coming this Saturday. And if it's anything like the drop 2 days ago where it sold out in less than a minute, you better get on there soon. On Saturday soon. She Built's coming soon. What else do we got? Bobby?
I don't even know.
There's so much fuego in it, I just can't I can't wrap my head around it.
Show it in the next video.
We have like probably 20 new things coming. We got beanies coming. We have jet tags coming. We got stickers coming. We're doing a lot of stuff we haven't done in a while. So I'm pretty hyped. This launch is gonna be
Fire?
next level.
Okay, before we go, can you please put oil in the WRX?